Right, today we'll have a new guitar day. Woohoo! Right, well, obviously you can see it's the Toman, so it is a Harley Benton. It's a CST-24. I've not opened it, as you can see. So I shall make it start. Get the thing opened. While I was there, I ordered up a gig bag. Which one is this? It says premium gig bag. I can't quite remember which one I ordered. That's good, and it's got the neck brace as well, which is ideal, and obviously opens straight up for the busking, so it's ideal for that as well, which is good. Now the main thing is the guitar. It looks tiny in the box here actually. Let's hope it's a full size guitar, but I've not ordered a miniature, you know. But it's getting pretty well packed actually. That's the inside of the cardboard box, so that has been pretty well packed. So I'm expecting that everything's going to be fine. The obligatory label. Free, that you already paid for. Right, I have the tremolo bar and the two different Allen keys. Right, now I've never saw Harley Benton in real life before. I saw lots of them on the review channels, lots of them on YouTube. Obviously that's good, it's cable up to protect the toggle, and also a bit more padding on the top. Just wait a wee second till I get rid of the labels. Right, let's have a look at the thing. I don't know if you can hear that. Nearly in tune, and considering this came from Germany to the UK. This is the Ocean Flame, I think they call it. I don't know if you can actually see much of the flame there. Yeah, that's maybe a better picture. But yeah, that's pretty nice. I quite like the look of that. And obviously Right, this is the back of it, which is recessed as well. That's quite good. That's quite a nice, because I've got some Stratocasters, you know, where it's screwed into the top, you know, not kind of beveled in. So I think that's an extra nice wee thing on a budget guitar, really. Trying to think what it cost me all in with the gig bag. I think this was about £180, Great British pounds. The gig bag was 20, and that was excluding the VAT. So obviously with the Brexit nonsense, nothing to do with Toman. The VAT and a brokerage fee and customs fee and that sort of thing, it cost an additional £60. So normally the VAT before Brexit would have been £40. So it was like an extra £20 to go through customs, because of course it was free delivery from Toman. But yeah, I like it. I've never, every guitar I have is a Strat shape. I think I've got a couple of Squires, Fender Custom Shop, I've got a Schecter HSS, which is Strat shape as well. I've had one Epiphone Les Paul, and it was a kind of blue colour as well. I think it was a trans blue they called it. It looked great. I just didn't like playing it at all, you know. It didn't feel right at all. This actually feels like quite narrow, quite a narrow neck, but it seems thicker or flatter anyway. Certainly flatter, maybe thicker than the Strat. Right, that's brilliant. Everything seems to be working. I'm looking at the action as well, and I will not need to fix that at all, which is good, because I'm pretty bloody useless at setting up guitars. It's a hell of a task, I tell you. Probably what I'll do is I'll maybe raise the back pickup, which is done in seconds, as you probably well know. The front one's set pretty fine, but obviously I'll plug it in, play it, and then adjust it till it sounds right to my ear anyway. But hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it's not too a long video for you. But just the last sort of view of it before I turn off. For £180 for a guitar, I think that's pretty nice. Okay, new guitar days, always brilliant.